my reality till eternity. Hello everyone, today we'll be singing The Spirit of Immortality. Listen and be blessed. I'm empowered by the Spirit of Immortality. I'm empowered by the Spirit of Immortality. No place for immorality. Purity is my reality till eternity.
I'm empowered.
I'm empowered by the Spirit of Immortality. I'm empowered by the Spirit of Immortality. No place for immorality. Purity is my reality till eternity. Quickened, I am quickened by the Spirit of immortality. I am quickened by the Spirit of immortality. No place for vanity. I carry immunity till eternity. I am quickened by the Spirit of immortality. I am quickened by the Spirit of immortality. No place for infirmity. I carry immunity till eternity.
I am powered.
I'm empowered by the Spirit of immortality. I'm empowered by the Spirit of immortality. No place for immorality. Purity is my reality till eternity. No place for infirmity. I carry immunity till eternity. No place for immorality. Purity is my reality till eternity. No place for immorality. Purity is my reality till eternity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, follow. See you next time. Bye. I'll see you.